Welcome to the class Introduction to Capella. This is a class that's put together to introduce you to innovation that can be done with the product called Capella. The objectives of this class is to understand the connection between innovation and Capella. You will learn to appreciate how a Capella model helps you understand a problem and how it helps you develop a solution to the problem. You will learn how to download, install, load, and browse Capella models of a product, and you will learn the methodology of Capella and how it can be applied to a problem. You will then learn how Capella can enable the innovation when a new product problem is brought forth to a customer. And you also will learn how Capella can help solve problems and help you develop high-level solutions and designs. It's going to be a very hands-on course. So after the first couple sessions, we'll kind of get you oriented. We'll get into the hands-on capabilities of the tool, help you get it installed and using it. Your instructor for this course is myself. My name is Tony Komar. I've been involved with innovation for many, many years. I worked in aerospace for many years, then went on to do time-to-market consulting. I spent 17 years with the Siemens Digital Industry Software Organization. That's where I work currently, developing system engineering tools. And this Capella product came to our attention a few years ago, and we really enjoyed what we saw with it, myself specifically, and we were able to take this and turn this into a product that we can help our customers with above and beyond with the capabilities of Capella. My background really started as a son of a dairy farmer, working with products and helping building things around the farm. I went on to get a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering at Penn State, and I also have a master's degree in systems engineering from Penn State. I also have spent a lot of times working with maker communities, and I've built products, and an example we're going to be using in this course is something I built. I also do a lot of educational and outreach with our community. Here on the lower left of the right of the photo, you can see that I worked with a 4-H team that won a local prize for for their product that they helped develop and kind of design. And I'm going to be pulling upon that teaching experience to help with this journey. My journey started with Capella by basically building a simple solar charger that we're going to use for an example of this course. That effort led to building a product with Siemens called System Modeling Workbench. In 2019, I launched an internal user group within Siemens to help promote the product, and at the same time I was mentoring this 4-H team, which went on to win a state competition. And last year in 2020, I actually presented at a Capella Day event, and also at the CSDM event, Complex System Design and Management, in Paris. So the course is laid out in topics. The first one is understanding innovation in Capella. The next is defining the problem. And in this case, we're going to talk about bringing power to the trail with the trail power example we're going to use. Next is defining the solution with trail power and how a design is actually formulated. Then we're going to go on to understanding a new problem and basically introduce that to the product with operational analysis. We'll define the boundary of the solution with system analysis and develop a system architecture with the logical architecture. And then finally develop a system architectural design with the physical architecture of Capella. And finally, we'll talk a little bit about contributing to the Capella community. The course is going to be offered in two ways. You'll be able to watch the videos and see them through a YouTube channel called Innovating with Tony, and you can watch the lessons there, or you can go to a more formal method of a hosted training on Moodle, which will allow you to see a lot more. There will be a fee for that course, and lessons and videos will be there. There'll be much more as far as notes, discussion boards, certificates, and badges with that. And I'll have more information on that later in the course. The approach for each topic for the certificate program is to describe the lesson with an objective and overview, deliver the lesson with videos and notes, engage the students with an activity through a survey, and then finally a certificate will be presented if all the surveys have been taken. And here is finally the last slide. Thank you for being part of this journey and this training material. You'll be able to find more about the certificate program at the Sturbridge Project, a very innovative business center here in the town that I live in, Honesdale, Pennsylvania, and that's where the course will be offered. The informal training is available on Innovating with Tony. Please subscribe and you'll get notified when more training material is dropped. Thank you.